Maybe she can have a glass of water.
Well, you know what? She doesn't know how to drink out of a glass yet.
Well, I mean like a bottle of water.
Yeah, a drink of water.
What are you doing?
Like you put some water in the baby bottle.
She'll get over it. She likes it when you're holding her.
She was getting a little squirmy there, and then you got her, and she's okay now. Aren't she?
Coochie coochie go.
You're all right. Apparently she's not ticklish yet.
She's a little bit.
A little bit, not much though.
I blew in her belly. She liked
I
it.
could scare the hiccups away, but I don't want to scare my little sister.
That's good. You're being a good big sister.
And she doesn't know how to hold her breath, and she can't hold upside down because that would be like bad. So I think you could just put some water in the bottle. That's the only one left.
Yeah.